Today, I'm putting the DJI Mini 5 Pro to the test to see just how much I can capture with this incredibly lightweight 250G drone. Equipped with LiDAR technology, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in drone design. Weighing in at just 250G, this drone is exceptionally lightweight, making it incredibly easy to take with you wherever you go. And with the addition of LiDAR technology, it's clear that DJI is serious about offering users the best tools for capturing stunning aerial footage. One of the biggest challenges drone users face is weight restrictions. Many drones out there are simply too heavy to be easily portable, which can limit how and when they're used. Moreover, heavier drones often consume more battery, cutting down their flight time. But what if you could have a drone that's both lightweight and packed with advanced features? That's exactly what the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers. This drone isn't just about being light, it's about providing top-tier technology in a small package. It's truly the best of both worlds. Traditional mapping techniques often rely on heavier, more expensive drones that are costly to operate and maintain. But with the DJI Mini 5 Pro, you get a lightweight design that's easy to use, combined with advanced LiDAR capabilities for incredibly accurate mapping and surveying. By leveraging LiDAR, the Mini 5 Pro can create detailed 3D models of its surroundings, making it ideal for industries like construction, agriculture, and more. This means you don't need to rely on larger, more expensive drones to capture high-level data. What makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro so special? Well, for starters, its LiDAR capabilities are unparalleled in a drone of this size. The ability to create detailed point clouds and 3D models with precision was previously only possible with much larger drones. This means you can now capture data with an accuracy that you'd expect from professional-grade equipment, but all from a drone that weighs just 250G. Whether you're surveying a large area or working on a more focused project, the level of detail and clarity you can achieve with this drone is impressive. In addition to the LiDAR capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro boasts advanced flight performance, which allows you to get the shots you need quickly and easily. DJI has gone above and beyond with this drone's design, ensuring that it's not just lightweight, but also built for optimal flight stability. Thanks to advanced materials and smart design techniques, they've managed to keep the weight down without sacrificing any of the features that make it stand out. The compact design means you can easily take it with you wherever you go, making it the perfect tool for aerial enthusiasts who need both portability and power. Absolutely, here's the next part. So, how does the DJI Mini 5 Pro perform in real-world scenarios? To test its capabilities, I took it to a sprawling construction site, a place where precision and detail are essential. I set the Mini 5 Pro loose to capture some stunning aerial footage and to see how it handled the task at hand. The results were nothing short of impressive. The drone performed flawlessly, capturing detailed 3D models of the site with an accuracy that I didn't expect from a drone of this size. The advanced LiDAR technology proved its worth, providing an incredible level of precision that made mapping the site easier than ever before. One of the standout features was how quickly and easily I was able to capture the shots I needed. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's advanced flight performance meant that I could fly it around the site with minimal effort, getting the right angles and perspectives on the first try. And what's even better is the efficiency. The Mini 5 Pro allowed me to gather more data in less time, and with its lightweight design, I was using less power compared to heavier drones. This means you can achieve more in a shorter amount of time, which is especially valuable when you're working in a fast-paced environment. Certainly, here's the continuation. At the end of the day, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a game-changer for drone users. It combines advanced LiDAR capabilities, a lightweight design, and impressive flight performance, making it the perfect tool for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage and data. Whether you're in construction, agriculture, or any industry that requires detailed mapping and surveying, the Mini 5 Pro stands out as a tool that doesn't compromise on quality or convenience. With its compact design, you get the best of both worlds: the portability of a small drone and the precision of much larger, more expensive models. This drone doesn't just break the mold, it redefines what's possible with lightweight drone technology. It's clear that DJI has made a major leap forward with the Mini 5 Pro, and it's exciting to think about all the ways this drone will change the game for aerial mapping and data collection. If you're someone who needs reliable and efficient tools to capture data or create 3D models with incredible accuracy, this drone is worth your attention. So, what do you think about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Have you tried it out, or do you have any thoughts on its potential for your work or personal use? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear your opinions, especially if you're already using drones for mapping or capturing aerial footage. And if you're interested in learning more about the latest advancements in drone technology, don't forget to check out our video on the future of aerial mapping. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing how the DJI Mini 5 Pro is going to impact the world of drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Until next time.